So, how's everybody doing today? Hopefully really good. Yesterday we talked about how to measure an irregular solid and get its volume. So today we're going to do the exact same thing, but now I'm going to have you guys go around your house and try to find 5 items to measure an irregular solid. Now you may be wondering yourself, but Mr. Paris, I don't have a graduated cylinder. How am I supposed to do this? Well, I'm going to show you a fun little do-it at home, a little experiment with this. So first, what you'll need is a measuring cup, or if you don't have one or one is not accessible to you, you can always use a clear cup, whether that's glass, whether that's plastic, as long as you can see inside of it. The next thing you'll need is a handy dandy ruler if you're using a clear glass, and then just a mixture of objects that you can find outside or around your house. So I found some rocks and a fun little bouncy ball. All right, and what you're going to do is you have your initial water level. So you're going to kind of go down on eye level and see that my cup right now in my measuring glass is about, I'd say, 150 milliliters. Okay, so that's my initial water level. I'm going to take an object that is not a regular solid, and I'm going to place it in the water. Okay, and when it does, you'll notice that the water level rose. Now, how much did it rise by? Well, for this one, it rose to almost 200 milliliters. Again, going down at eye level, and just about 200. Now, you can kind of estimate that, and you'll see that it is at 200. So I have my final water level being 200, and my initial water level being 150 milliliters. So I'm going to subtract the two, and I get 50 milliliters. Okay, so the volume of my irregular solid is 50 milliliters. Okay, and that is exactly what you're going to do with each one. So I'm back to my 150 here, and I'm able to get my next object, place it in. This one is almost doubled, and we're at 225 milliliters. So I'm going to take my 225 minus my 150, and I'm going to get some number. You can put it in a calculator and calculate that. So why don't we do that? So I have 225 minus 150, and I get 75. So the density of my second rock here is 75 milliliters. Okay, so you're going to find 5 objects to do so. Now, if you don't have a measuring cup that you're using, you could always use a ruler as well. So in your clear glass cup, again, you're going to take that initial level using the centimeter side, and roughly, let's say I'm at 4 centimeters. I place my object in, and it looks like it rose to about 5.5. Okay, so 5.5 minus 4 gives me 1.5 meters. Now they will be a little bit different, I do admit that, but that is just a nice little way to measure objects that are irregular sized. So I hope you guys have fun with this. Go out and enjoy finding your objects. Have a good one.